Yeah.
Well, this one stays for years, so I don't enjoy my. This one stays.
Today is day 5 of using this um, ginger, rosemary, and what do you call that thing again? Aloe vera.
She's doing it in her life.
Leave there. See my phone.
And even if she will do it in the morning. Ma, are you going to do it in the morning?
No.
Why? Only in the night.
Yes.
Mom, so I want to make up when they're still small. Only add this on their face when they're sleeping.
So this is 1 minute. I do normally 3 minutes, but I just for the focus of this video, I'm going to do it for 1 minute. I'll continue later. So I wear this on my hair. Cover the edges. Nothing needs to fly out. Use this and cover it again. And I go to bed. See you guys tomorrow.